Welcome to a day in my life. A day in the life of a CA final student. My day usually starts somewhere in between 5:30 and 6 in the morning. One thing that I did lately that really improved the quality of my sleep is that I just turned off the alarm on my phone.
Yeah, so as I said, turning off the alarm on my phone really improved the quality of my sleep. Try it sometime.
Even if that means I wake up a little later than usual, I just feel like I have a way more productive day. And then I go on to make my first cup of coffee.
Good morning. Yeah, first cup of coffee for the day. The first of many.
There's an interesting story behind that cup. I always used to struggle to find a cup that was big enough. And the last time I was at my grandmom's place, I found this.
This is a normal cup, which is about 200 ml. And this is my cup, which is about 600 ml.
But hey, one cup is one cup. As a CA final student, we have to study for the CA final exam, along with which we also have to work at a job, which is called articleship.
But because of the lockdown, both articleship and CA final classes are from home.
My CA final exam is in November 2022. And you might be wondering,
Dude, November 22? That's more than a year away. Why do you have to start studying now?
let's break it down. We have 8 subjects. Each subject has around 220 hours of lecture, which means a total of 1760 hours of class. If I watch 3.5 hours of class every day, and that is not even considering birthdays, holidays, no days off, it will take me 1.5 years to complete.
All that is not even including the time that we have to spend studying what is actually being taught in class.
No wonder there are not a lot of CA students who also have a YouTube channel. Guys, please subscribe. I start my day by watching 3.5 hours of class as I sip my black coffee. And as of right now, I am doing a subject called financial reporting. My work starts at 10.
Yeah, so class is done for now. And the time right now is 9:45 and I have to start working by 10. And before I start working, I just like to change into something which is not my boxers, because otherwise I'll just end up spending the entire day in my boxers. So yeah, let's change. Editor Vivek, that is when you're supposed to make me change. Let's do that again. Yep, much better.
My work starts at 10, before which I like to have a quick and convenient breakfast.
Breakfast, if you would like to call it that.
It's a high protein version of hot chocolate. 1 scoop of whey, 1 egg, and either cocoa powder or just coffee powder. Add it all in a mixer with a little bit of water. And then the most important step, which is wake the neighbors up. Add that mixture to hot water. It actually tastes really good.
Adding it to the mixer and then making it makes a lot of difference compared to just using our hands. It really comes out creamy and really foamy.
It's just 200 calories for about 30 grams of protein. And I usually have 2 to sometimes even 3 of these a day. Work starts at 10. And just to talk about work, I chose a mid-sized CA firm in Bangalore, which I don't want to name because in case I do something dumb and put it out on the internet, I don't want to drag their name down, In most of the mid-sized firms, each year we get a rotation between the various divisions. The 2 most popular divisions are audit and tax. In my firm, there are also many divisions which I had not even heard of before articleship. As of right now, in my second year, I am in the corporate law division. We deal with a lot of things like doing due diligence for a company and even incorporating companies. Work usually goes on till about 1:30.
Yeah, so the time right now is 1:30 and basically what that means is that it's time for lunch. And for lunch, I like to eat vegetables. A lot of vegetables. See, the thing is, if I were to eat rice or roti, I will have to eat a lot of it in order to keep me full. So instead of that, today we are having cabbage. An entire cabbage. Yep.
along with which I also have chicken as the protein source and 2 whole eggs for healthy fats. I use a lot of sauces in order to make my food taste really good.
Yep, I'm just trying to recreate Subway at home. And yeah, now all I have to do is wait. Hot things incoming. And I'm definitely referring to the salad and nothing and no one else.
While eating lunch, I like to practice something called conscious consumption, where I don't use my phone or any social media and I just focus on the food.
Hi, Trophy. Trophy likey. And I still have 10 to 15 minutes before work starts again. So I think I'll go for a quick walk. No more chicken. Chicken's over.
Yeah, so the book I'm listening to right now is called 21 Lessons to Learn from the 21st Century.
There are 2 main things that the author talks about. The first one being how, as humans, we are so bad at predicting the future. Yeah, so time to get back to work. Let me remove this. Yeah, time to get back to work.
And to be honest, since it's work from home, we can technically use our phone whenever we want to. But in case my boss is watching, ma'am, I'm not that type of person. I promise I'm not.
Please don't fire me.
No, but seriously, we do have a decent amount of work every day. And ever since it's work from home, it's actually become easier for them to monitor whatever we have been doing.
Yeah, so the time right now is 6:30 and I'm done with work. I'm done with that for the day. And it's time for some cold coffee.
Nescafe. Yep, see, this is why I don't want to take the name of my firm. By the time it's around 6:30, I log out of work. It's the time when the sun is just about to set, and the weather at that time is also really good. And that is the time where I either work out or go for a run. And today was a day where I was working out. After the warm-up, I started the workout with some lat pull-downs and then moved on to some deadlifts. Next up was the overhead press, and as a part of the isolations, I did lateral raises and finished it off with some bicep curls. After the workout, I have a quick shower, after which I spend some time on social media. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you can follow me at have a quick dinner, and by the time it's 8:30, it's time to study again. I either watch more classes or just revise whatever's been taught in the morning for about an hour. About half an hour before I sleep, I like to switch off all my screens and close all my books. It's the time I use to self-reflect.
So let's reflect.
I like to write down things on my to-do list or even my dreams and the things I really want to achieve. Yeah, I would say I'm a big believer of positive affirmations and creative visualization and all that. And it's something that I really like to do before I go to bed. Some days I fall asleep with no problems at all. But there are some days where I find it so hard to fall asleep. And that is when I unleash the secret weapon. A book so powerful that the instant I open it, I fall asleep. And that book is Financial Reporting for CA Final.
Yep. I'm just kidding. I find the subject very interesting and I definitely want to pass. I don't want to curse myself, Yeah, it's very interesting. Yep, that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching a day in my life. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Take care. Trophy likey. Bye, Trophy. Yeah. Don't look at me like that. You're not going to get more. No more chicken. Chicken's over.